today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute ribbon wreath for less than $10. All items were purchased at the dollar store. What you will need is a wreath ring. This is 14 inches, 4 rows of decorative ball ribbon, a roll of deco mesh, and chenille stems. Let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is place your chenille stems on your wreath ring. This, I'm not going to do the complicated method. I'm just going to do simple. I'm going to place one chenille stem on the outer ring. Just place it and twist it 2 times. Just like that. And I will place the next chenille stem on the inner ring. Twist it 2 times. I'm just going to keep doing this, alternating all the way around the ring. So the next one will go on the outer ring, inner ring, outer, inner, all the way around. Alright, so I have placed the chenille stems all the way around, alternating inner, outer, all the way around for a total of 12 chenille stems. I'm just going to take the deco mesh and start on the outer ring. Just going to take the brown. You could double the deco mesh if you'd like. You can do both colors all the way around. But I'm just going to go with the brown. And twist it twice. Just like that. Then you make a small little poof and you come to the next outer ring. So the first time we're going all the way around the outer ring, and the next time we're going to go all the way around the inner ring. So you come to the next one and you place the deco mesh and you twist it 2 times. Just for a small little poof. Come around to the next one, make a small little poof. And twist 2 times. Just like this. So I'm going to do this all the way around. And so I'm coming back around to my starting point. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Twist it. So this was the last outer ring. The next time I'm going to take the deco mesh and come to this inner ring right here. Just like that. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to keep going all the way around. So I'm just ending the last one, letting it meet up with the one I first started on. Right in here. So next you're going to take your ribbon. You have 4 rolls. You're going to cut 8-inch long pieces, 12 of them, from each of the 4 rolls for a total of 48 pieces of ribbon. Okay, so I've cut all 4 of the different pattern fall ribbon into 8-inch long pieces. And I have 12 of each of the 4 colors for a total of 48 pieces. And I've also ribbon cut the ends. To ribbon cut, you would just fold the ribbon in half. The 2 open ends on the bottom, the fold on the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Again, fold in half. Fold at the top, 2 ends at the bottom. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to place them on the wreath ring. What you're going to do is just take one of each of the ribbon. And I'm just placing them like this. Just like that. And scrunch them all together. Then of course you want to adjust it so that you can see all of the different patterns. Just like that. You want it to look nice and full. You're going to go to your chenille stem. You're going to place it in the chenille stem and twist it together. I really want to make sure you can see all of the ribbon. repeat this step with each of the 12 chenille stems. What you want to do when you take the ribbon, you want to make sure you alternate the different patterns. You don't want to do the same order of the patterns for each of the chenille stems. You want it to look very fun and fall-like. So alternate the patterns, put different ones on top and different on the bottom. Just scrunch it right in the center. Try to estimate the center. Then adjust it just like that to where everything shows and it looks nice and pretty. Then you just go to the next chenille stem. Just working my way around. I'm going outer, inner, outer, inner. And then you just twist it a couple of times. And you adjust. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish all of them and show you my final product. I have placed the ribbon bundles all the way around, alternating which of the 4 ribbon patterns I have on top. And making sure that you flare out the ribbon. The more you flare it out, the prettier it's going to look. So it's nice and flared. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like a pair of scissors or pencil or anything that you have. And I'm just going to roll the chenille stems. Since they do match my color scheme, I am not going to tuck them. I'm just going to roll them just like this. So I'm going to do that to all of the chenille stems. We are all done. Alright, so this is what the final product looks like. Again, make sure you flare all of the ribbon so that it's nice and full. You can double the deco mesh on the bottom if you'd like. But it's just very cute and inexpensive. This wreath was less than $10.